Well, hey, what is going on, everybody? So welcome to my tutorial, guys. And so in today's tutorial, I'll be going over the good old PS2. Yay! Finally, huh? But yeah, I come across something, guys, the other day, and it's real cool. And so basically what I'll be showing you is how to install or download, actually, all your box art for your PS2 games in OPL, or Open PS2 Loader. It's really cool. If you're not familiar with OPL or Open PS2 Loader, basically what it is, it's an application which allows you to boot up all your PS2 games as well as PS1 games off your local PS2 drive over the network, and also or your portable hard drive like I have here, or a flash drive. So this is the route I'd be going, guys. I got a Toshiba 1TB hard drive here that has all my PS2 games, PS1 games, Wii games, GameCube games, all that stuff. NES, Super NES, TurboGrafx, Sega, you name it. I've got it all on here. So that's the route I'd be going. So yeah, so we'll go ahead. Without further ado, we'll hop over to the computer here, guys, and download a few things. It's very simple, actually, not hard to do. I can't believe it took me less long to even find this out, so it's crazy, but it's really cool. So, let's do this. Alright? Cool, man. Alright. Alright, guys, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is download this OPL Manager that I have here. This is the only program, guys, that you're going to need for this tutorial. It's very simple, like I said. And so let's mosey on over to our browser, guys, and I'll show you what website you'll need to go to download this particular program. Now this is a MediaFire site, guys. This is my personal upload. It's not that big a file. It's only like 6 megabytes or so. The link will be in the description, guys, so come on over here. Download this and you're good. So let's go on over to our desktop and we'll extract this bad boy. But before I open this program up, guys, I wanted to show you what the games actually look like on the hard drive. And open that back up. That's nice. But this is my hard drive right here, guys, and I know I got a lot of junk on my hard drive, guys, so don't make fun of my hard drive in the comments or my smoke detector. Y'all love to make fun of my beeping smoke detector, but guess what? I got my smoke detector fixed. Ha! So you can't make fun of that no more. Okay. Anyway, let's mosey on down here, guys, and these are my PS2 games right here. They're, I don't know what type of format this actually is, but it starts with a UL. All of them start with UL, and they're converted over by a program called USB Utility. I used a version 2 right here. I think I've got a tutorial out on that, guys. I'm not sure. If I do, I'll have the link under the description, but if I don't, well, hey, you know, that'll give me another opportunity for another tutorial. Yay! Awesome. Okay, but yeah, this is what the OPL looks for. This is the type of format your games have to be in to be recognized. Alright? Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and we'll boot this OPL Manager up. We'll click on the extension here, guys, and we'll get started. So it's asking me to automatically check for updates on startup. Yeah, whatever. We'll just save it, and it's okay. So I've got an update available. I'm not going to do that right now. Nope. Okay, so here we are. We have 3 options here, guys. We have a normal mode. As you saw on my hard drive, all my games were formatted to this type of format, the ul.config here, or ISO. You also have network, over the network, and download or whatever, I don't know, or the local PS2. I think this is actually the hard drive that goes into the PS2, internal hard drive, which I don't have. So I'm going with this option here for you flash drive, portable hard drive users here. So we have to find my hard drive. So I'll go hit browse, and it's going to be black box, drive A. So I'll click on that, guys, and hit OK. And we'll come over here and hit save. And we'll just wait up a second. It's going to read all my games here. It's going to take a minute. Okay. Alright, so the OPL is making fun of my ISOs here. 66 bad named ISOs. Showing bad ISO tab. I don't care, man. Shut up. Anyway, we'll go back to go back to home. Well, hold on a second. Let it bring up the list of games here. Okay. Yeah, dude, you said that a while ago. Okay. Okay, man. Dang. Okay. Alright. So here's all my PS2 games here, guys. So what you're going to do next is you're simply going to go up here to batch batch actions. Okay. So what you want to do is go right here to ART download or download. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on that, guys, and what we'll do is just check off everything here. Alright, check off everything, and then we'll hit start. This may take a minute. I don't know exactly how many games I have on here. But yeah. So I may skip over this part, guys. It looks like it's going to take a second. Alright? Alright. Okay, guys. So the operation has been completed. Did have a total of 155 titles. That was including PS1 games. I did not know that it was going to download the box art for PS1 games also. So that was pretty cool. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to back out of this. It will allow us to. And we'll see, let's go up here. Should have everything in the art folder right here. And it does. This is where all of your box art's going to go. And yeah, it's pretty much all there. Sure is. Alright. So that's it, guys. I mean, now we'll head on over to the PS2 and we'll check out the box art. See what it looks like. Cool, man. Alrighty. See you guys there. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I'm running the FreeMake Boot version 1.8, and we're going to scroll down to PS2 loader right here, and we're going to hit the X button. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go into settings, and what you want to make sure you have on is the USB device start mode to auto. Alright, How you change it is you hit the X button and you use your up and down D-pad to actually go through the options, just like that. And then once you choose auto, you hit the X button, go down to OK, hit the X button, and go down to Save Changes, X button, and then hit the O button to back out. Go to Display Settings, guys, and make sure that your Enable Cover Art option is on. And again, you hit the X button to switch on and off. And you just scroll down to hit OK. You can hit widescreen if you want. It's up to you. Hit OK. And then go down to Save Changes. Alright. And once you hit the Start button, all your games will come up. This is my PS2 collection here. We have Bomberman Kart. Bomberman Kart DX. All these work, guys. They look pretty good too. It's pretty neat. Castle Ween. So yeah, that's it, guys. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't even know about this. I've been messing with this PS2 for a while, and I did not know that you could actually download all this box art for this. I did not know that. You guys probably already knew that, but those of you who didn't, I hope this helped you out. Get some cool box art going on. I'm using the, I think it's 9.2, OPL 9.2. Most people are on 9.3 right now. I just haven't bothered to update mine yet. But yeah, the cover art looks great. Wow. Okay, that's it, guys. Again, thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a good one. I'm going to try to come up with some more tutorials on the PS2, the Wii. I actually got one on the Wii. Still got some work to do on it, but yeah. Hopefully I can get that Wii tutorial out soon. And until then, guys, keep your eyes peeled for other tutorials, gameplays, or whatever I get myself into, guys. Y'all have a good one. This is Bobby signing out. Again, thanks for watching. Yeah.